I'm Marianne Binneti. I'm here with one of my new favorite shrubs. This is called Calycanthus, or sweet shrub. And this variety has these deep red flowers, has a little bit of yellow around the tips of the petals. A beautiful, it looks almost like a magnolia, it's so big. And this one is called Aphrodite. It's the variety of Calycanthus, common name sweet shrub. But these are plants you can find at the nursery now from proven winners. They grow fast. So this shrub is only about 3 years old, and I got it in a little gallon-sized container. So look how big. It's like already 5 feet wide, 5 feet tall. It's a great shrub to use for hedging, and it's deer resistant. Now, it just needs good drainage. I fertilized this when I planted it with some Osmocote, slow-release plant food. Every spring then, I just put a little Osmocote around the base of the plant. So here it is midsummer. I've got all these blooms. I cut them off. Here's the interesting, fun thing about this shrub. Cut off the flowers and give them this sniff test, because they smell different to everybody I know. To me, it kind of smells like apple cider. Other people think it smells more sweet. So this is a really fun shrub to have people smell, and it's a great shrub for the back of the border, a great shrub for screening. Did I mention deer resistant? So Calycanthus, sweet shrub, and when it comes to pruning, I just cut the flowers off when they're in bloom to enjoy indoors. But if you have branches that are getting a little bit too ambitious, once the shrub is done blooming, go ahead and cut them back. Pruning after blooming is the general rule with Calycanthus and any of the other flowering shrubs. This has been Marianne Binneti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.